So next, let's go ahead and check our orders. So over here, let's go to dashboard. And now if we go to WooCommerce, you're gonna see now we have orders. So here, click on orders. And here you'll see that we have an order. Now there is an option in WooCommerce where you can actually make these automatically fulfilled, but right now we're processing. So we're just taking a look at the order. So here I'll click on the actual customer. And here you're gonna see the order details. So here under status, we can always make sure that we complete this order and then click on updates. And this will essentially notify the customer that, that the order is completed and that we are now shipping the product. Now, let's say, for example, you want to refund this order. Maybe there was a problem with the order and the customer said, you know what, this product sucks. I want to get my money back. Here, you'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom. And right here, you'll see refund. You'll just click on refund. And then here you can put how much you want to refund. And then once you do that, you will then click on refund. Now, since this was a test order, it says $0. And that's just because, we can't refund real money based off a test order, but that's how you would do that. Now, the very last thing that I want to talk about